Today I'm gonna show you how to send crypto from Binance to your Revolut app. First things first, open up your Revolut app and go to the crypto section. Use the search bar to find, for this example, let's say Bitcoin BTC. But your case might be different. Tap on it, then look for the 3 dots in the corner and tap those. You'll see an option that says Receive. Tap that. You'll get your Bitcoin wallet address there. Just copy that address because you'll need it for sending BTC from Binance. Now, hop over to your Binance account. Go to your assets, find Bitcoin, and hit Withdraw. When it asks you to send via crypto network, paste the BTC address you copied from Revolut. Binance usually picks the right network automatically. Just double check it says Bitcoin network and not something else. Then enter how much BTC you want to send. Revolut usually needs at least like $5 worth, so keep that in mind. After that, hit Withdraw, check everything's correct, and confirm the transfer with your password or whatever security you use. After that, the transfer gets sent to the Bitcoin blockchain. It might take a little bit of time, but once it goes through, you'll see your BTC in your Revolut app.